Hello students, I am Bhagyashi Deshmukh, Standard 5th, Subject English. Now this is time for lesson number 2 and your favorite subject, the friendship. Students, what is friendship? So here are so many answers from you like ma'am, friendship means best friend, जो एक like a real brother for us, like a closer one for us. So friendship means what? A untightened bond, a indirectly bond like a real relatives for us. So here one story, a very cute and very good story for you on a friendship. Page number 17. See students, here one playground scene is there. Some students are playing, some are sharing lunch. We also used to share our lunch with our friends also. So here is one story. First of all that on 17 page number you have to write something. All of us enjoy having friends. Who are your friends? What do you enjoy doing with them? Write about your friends at home or in school. See, friends means not having only in a school or not having only in a colony mate. So friends कोई भी हो सकता है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि हमारे कॉलोनी में के ही फ्रेंड हमारे हो या फिर स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स हो. So here is one task for you. My friend's name. Here 4 columns are there. You have to write your friend's name, things we like to do together. वो फ्रेंड के साथ आपको क्या करने में मजा आता है, that one you have to write here. Here various 4 names you have to write and various 4 activities what you want to do with your friend. This is your homework students. Page number 17. See, you can see something there. See, कोई बच्चा है जिसको कुछ लग गया है पैर में और एक another kid is there and they are talking something. So what it is, just we will see. Tilak and Sudhir have very different personalities and interests. Read on to find out how they became the best of friends. Here is the story of 2 friends, 2 different friends. Different friends means having a different nature, means having different qualities, having different interests. So Tilak and Sudhir, 2 students are there, 2 friends are there, but now they are not friends. Guess what Tilak, his mother said a week after they had moved into their new house. I have discovered that one of my old friends live nearby and her son is your classmate at school. His name is Sudhir. She added, do you know him? Now Tilak's mama talking to Tilak that Tilak, one family is there in our neighbor. You know, she is my friend previous. Means she was my classmate previously, but now she live here. वो अभी यहाँ पे रहने के लिए आए हैं और मुझे ऐसा पता चला है कि his son is in your class, in your school only. मतलब उसका जो बेटा है उसका नाम क्या है, सुधीर. वो भी आपके क्लास में आने वाला है. Do you know him? आप जानते हो उसे? Tilak shook his head. Shook his head means waving like this and said, no, Sudhir, that boy isn't good at games or anything. तुरंत तिलक ने मन बनाया कि वो सुधीर जिसको ना तो गेम पसंद है और कोई भी अच्छी चीजें करना पसंद नहीं है. He keeps reading some old books all the time. What he used to, he just read only books and books. But see, Mama, Miss Tilak is telling to Mama that Mama, I love to play games, I love to do various activities, but that Sudhir, he is very boring because he don't want to play anything. He just used to read all the old books and whatever type of comics, and I don't like that boy. Tilak was the skipper of the school cricket team. Skipper means captain. He is captain from school cricket team and was good at football, hockey and gymnastics as well. Means overall Tilak wants to play outdoor games and Tilak want to take part in various type of games. Well, we have invited his parents to tea this evening. Of course, he will come too, said his mother. मम्मा बोलती है कि शाम को तो मैंने टी के लिए मतलब चाय के लिए उनको घर पे बुलाया है. सो सुधीर will also come with his parent. So you have to give your time to him and you have to talk to him very properly as they are coming to our home. When Sudhir's family came, Tilak took Sudhir to his room while their parents talked in the drawing room. Now they see what happened. Sudhir's family came. Tilak took Sudhir. अब जब भी हमारा फ्रेंड हमारे घर पे आते हैं किसी और के साथ, तो हम क्या करते हैं, उनको जनरली हमारे रूम में ले जाते हैं, टॉयज दिखाते हैं, सी व्हाट टाइप ऑफ गेम्स आई एम हैविंग, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ किट आई एम हैविंग, सी दिस इज माय न्यू गेम, सी दिस इज माय हॉकी स्टिक एंड व्हाटएवर इट इज. So Tilak also take the Sudhir in the room and just he is going to show all his things whatever he is having. Tilak knew Sudhir was not good at games and he did not bother to find out Sudhir's interest. So both were quite glad when Sudhir got up to go home. Though their mothers visited each other often, Tilak and Sudhir never did. They just did not have anything in common. See, जब भी हमारे बीच कुछ कॉमन बातें होती है तो हमारी फ्रेंडशिप बहुत गहरी होती है. बट हियर सुधीर इज ऑल्सो नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू लिसन, टू लर्न, टू सी द थिंग्स व्हाटएवर द तिलक इज हैविंग. सो हियर मोमास तो मिलते थे क्योंकि वो पहले से फ्रेंड थे, लेकिन सुधीर और तिलक नहीं मिलते थे क्योंकि उनमें कोई कॉमन बात ही नहीं थी, उनको मजा नहीं आता था आपस में बात करने में. One day, while playing football, Tilak fell and fractured his leg. Fractured means broke, टूट जाना. One day what happened, when Tilak was playing in the school, at that time what happened, he just broke his leg. Fractured. See, you can see here that fractured means white type of bandage and he is now unable to go anywhere or play or to do any type of activity. This means that he had to miss school for about 6 weeks. Because his leg is fractured means obviously he is not able to go to school for 6 weeks. Lying in bed, Tilak felt very lonely and sorry for himself. Now what happened? अब जब रोज हमको खेलने में मजा आता है, अब 6 वीक उनको बैठकर बोर हो रहा था कि अब मेरा काम मैं क्या करूँ अभी, because all my friends are going to the school, all of my friends are doing various type of activities, but what can I do now? What I can do? I felt bored. Who is saying like this? Tilak. During the first week में क्या होता है? His friends came over every evening to cheer him up. His friends come every day and tell to Tilak that don't worry Tilak, you will be okay within few days, but only for 1 week because all have their various type of works and various type of games they want to play. So after few days, what happens? See, but as the date of a cricket match approached, they had less and less time to spare for their practice. So now cricket matches are approached. Now all the students, all his friends, means all the Tilak's friends are busy in doing the practice or for the matches. So they are not having the time to go and meet to Tilak every day. One evening, Tilak's friend visited him, full of excitement about the coming match. Once what happened? Tilak's friend come and he is sharing his upcoming match various type of tricks and excitement thing. Now Tilak isn't thinking, oh, what can I do now? Because he is discussing with me, but I am unable to go. One of them had been selected as the skipper in the Tilak's place. अब due to Tilak is fractured his leg, so तिलक के जगह पे कोई और एक स्कीपर वहाँ पे चूज किया गया और तिलक को बहुत बुरा लग रहा था कि मेरी प्लेस पे किसी और को ले लिया क्योंकि मेरा पैर फ्रैक्चर्ड है. अभी तिलक के जगह पे अगर हम भी होते तो हमें भी बुरा लगता. So he is thinking like that only. What a shame you can't play, they said. We are really going to miss you. What a shame you can't play. Now his friend is telling to Tilak that oh what a shame. Really we are going to miss you. हम तो तुम्हें बहुत मिस करेंगे. Tilak smiled bravely. Never mind, he said. अब तिलक को तो दिखाना था कि अब फ्रैक्चर है कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो he smiled bravely. Okay, never mind. Hope so. See what we will going to do. When his friends had gone, Tilak tried hard to fight back his tears. He had never felt more disappointed and lonely. Now Tilak has started crying because he also want to take the part in that match. And now on his place, another one is selected as a skipper. So Tilak को बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. After that, what happened? Students, we will see in our next video. Up to that, you have to read the lesson, up to page number 19 and try to underline the new words, whatever the words are there in your book. Thank you.